As we build the Ngā Ūranga ki Pito-One section of Te Ara Tupua, our workers and machinery share the space with a wide range of plants and animals, above the water and below. We need to leave this environment in the best condition possible and give something back to replace habitat that'll be lost. One way we're doing that is by establishing a new reef just off the shoreline. It's a great example of local mātauranga Māori meeting global ecological science. The reef will feature more than 50 concrete pyramids and clusters on the seafloor, spread across an area the size of 5 rugby fields. These massive units are 5 metres tall, 4 metres wide, weighing over 20 tonnes. They've been designed to attract and accommodate fish and provide a surface for marine plants and shellfish to grow on. Soon after they're in place, algae, plants and the spat of shellfish will begin to attach to the concrete surfaces. Within 5 years, we expect the reef will be home to well-developed plant and shellfish populations, and more fish will be seen around the area. Once fully established, it'll feature a wide range of species. Octopus, crayfish, crabs and starfish will be particularly prominent. Together with iwi male whenua, Taranaki Whānui and Ngāti Toa rangatira, we'll monitor progress with regular inspections. We are excited to improve the ecology of our harbour and ensure Te-Whanganui-a-Tara can be enjoyed by future generations of marine species and of people that call this place home.